Solar capacity is expanding across the world. But for factories, logistics hubs, and advanced manufacturing zones, generation alone is not enough. Industry runs on consistency. Manufacturing lines, ports, cold storage systems, and high-load facilities require uninterrupted power, not just when the sun shines. That is where renewable energy must move from capacity to consistency. Dubai's approach, combining solar generation with battery storage and grid intelligence, is shifting clean energy from capacity creation to industrial reliability. This is no longer about installing panels. It is about building energy systems that industry can depend on 24 hours a day. The Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park continues to expand as one of the largest renewable energy projects globally, but the focus has shifted. Battery storage integration and digital grid management are enabling greater stability, ensuring that renewable energy supports round-the-clock industrial activity. Through Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, DEWA, and clean energy expansion initiatives, Dubai is strengthening its renewable ecosystem not only to meet climate goals, but to provide operational certainty for industry. Recent engagements between DEWA and Indian energy stakeholders also highlight how clean energy cooperation is deepening, linking grid innovation, hydrogen development, and renewable technologies across both markets. This commitment reflects a broader shift. Clean energy is being designed for economic durability, not intermittent supply. For industrial investors and operators, reliability becomes the deciding factor. As industrial ecosystems digitize, another force is accelerating energy demand. Artificial intelligence, data centers, automation systems, and predictive manufacturing platforms are compute-intensive, and more compute means more power. At the India AI Summit, Schneider Electric's global CEO Olivier Blum underscored this connection. As AI adoption grows, clean energy must evolve beyond generation into intelligent distribution and optimization. Bloom also highlighted the opportunity within this shift. This suggests that while AI increases energy demand, it also enables efficiency through real-time monitoring, predictive optimization, and intelligent grid management. For industrial zones in Dubai, where renewable power meets digital grid intelligence, this convergence becomes a structural advantage. And as energy, AI, and manufacturing ecosystems evolve across both Dubai and India, the opportunity increasingly lies in combining clean generation with intelligent systems, not treating them separately. Reliable clean energy, enhanced by digital optimization, becomes a foundation for sustained industrial growth. As Dubai expands advanced manufacturing, logistics corridors, and high-load industrial clusters, reliable, round-the-clock clean power strengthens operational confidence. Reliable renewable energy reduces volatility, it stabilizes long-term planning, and it improves investor certainty. For industrial operators, this is not only about emissions reduction, it is about business continuity. Clean energy is no longer peripheral. It is becoming central to industrial competitiveness. The global energy conversation is evolving, from how much renewable power is produced to how dependably it supports growth. Dubai's model reflects that shift. Solar combined with storage, digital grids paired with AI optimization, clean energy aligned with industrial expansion. In this next phase of industrial development, reliable clean power is shifting from sustainability priority to economic infrastructure.